The other big decision was to deliver the SDK. We have developed all these big, I would say, software tools. Probably I didn't cover the codec because this is an important aspect. You know, we developed this codec SpeedHQ. So I think this is very important because we can improve the codec. It's our own stuff. So we know that we can increase the bit rate. For example, we set up the bit rate because, you know, for us, this level of compression was good. And then we learned from some broadcaster that in some specific use case the compression artifact was too much. We know that we can increase the bit rate and we can solve the problem. And this is very interesting. We know that, you know, if we compare SpeedHQ with some other codec like JPEG-XX and we reach the same bit rate, we have done some research and it's very interesting that not only we have the same quality, but we can have multiple generation with less compression artifact, you know, in multi-generation. So we are really happy about what we have and the fact that we can control the codec. The other interesting thing about the codec is that it's software friendly. Again, you can receive many streams in a computer. It's FPGA friendly, and this is your expertise. You know, using the FPGA to generate and encode and decode SpeedHQ. So I think we cover a lot of use case with our own codec, and this is quite important. The other big decision was to deliver the SDK. I truly believe that enabling third-party, you know, developer like vMix supporting NDI create another big wave of interest. You know, because at the end of the day, there was quite an interesting number of PTZ camera out there, but you know, only TriCaster, and TriCaster was not really cheap, to be honest. And so the idea to open the technology to third party, when vMix start developing the NDI support, I think this create a huge wave of interest. So they gain a large user base. All those users was looking for some hardware like camera or encoder, converter, etc., etc. The other important thing is that we have developed all these big, I would say, software tools, the free NDI tools. And this has been another brilliant idea. You know, if you want really to make this technology available for everyone, you want to learn NDI, you want to use NDI, you don't need to invest anything. The free NDI tools has been another big investment, but with a big result, because you just download the free NDI tool, you learn how to use NDI, and one day you will need a camera or you will need an encoder. And this is exactly what happened. I think this is the reason why NDI is so successful.